How to create a Threads account using Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Threads on your device. If you already have an Instagram, you will find Continue with Instagram in here. Simply click on the account you want to continue with. Then you will find this kind of screen. Select Public Profile or Private Profile. Then press on Next at the bottom. After you have done that, press on Join Threads at the bottom. After you click on Join Threads, it will show you different accounts suggested for you. If you want to follow, press on Follow or press on Cross. After that, your account will be created. This is how to create a Threads account using Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.